So it is time to do some seed saving. So as you can see, I have a piece of twine on this Destanera chocolate DD, and this pepper registers 200,000 on the Scoville scale. So it is really hot, and I'm gonna take utmost all the precautions I can take just to be safe for this pepper. I want to harvest its seeds so that I have them for future pepper plants and peppers. So you can see there's quite a few on this plant. Next, I'll be taking it to the kitchen and adding it to my seed saving bags. I'm taking all the peppers I can, which is ripe. So next I'll be taking the Kyoto Zan pepper. I'll be taking this tiny pepper to also seed save. My bishop's crown is not fully ripened yet, but I'll do the same process with it as well. I'm just waiting for it to blush a bit more and be closer to its true color so that I know the seeds are fully mature. Okay, so now I'll be trying to save the seeds of my Testanera chocolate, registering 200,000 on the Scoville scale. So I'm working with a glove because I really don't want this stuff. So I've no idea how to cut it. I'm just going to try and open it. Okay, it looks very mean. Wow, I can smell that. It smells very fresh, like a very fresh pepper, but it's I don't know how to explain. Anyway, so let me take out the seeds for the seed saving part. So I tried to get some tweezers, but I struggled. So I have these pollination bags, okay, which I'm going to use to let the seeds dry in, to try and avoid some mold. And I'm trying not to touch the other glove. So there's one in. I know the reapers can burn through 2 gloves due to the acidity or something like that. So 2 is in. Let's open this one. Let's put it like that. Let's get the rest of these seeds out. Oh. So I think 200 on the Scoville scale is quite a lot. I don't know if my fingers are burning or it's just my head playing games with me. But yeah, so let's throw these in. And I'll of course be washing this with a lot of dishwashing liquid. Let me get that last seed. Yeah, so this was quite an expensive pepper when I bought it, so saving the seed should save me a lot in the future. Let me just get that out nicely without spraying it in my face. And obviously, as it would be, I will not have 2 pairs of gloves. So put it inside there. Cool, and that is how you seed save from a Testanera chocolate DD. There's 2 more left. But yeah, I don't know if I should be brave enough to taste it just yet. I think I'll make a video of a taste test. There's a few more incoming. Scary.